She would dance like a firefly, like she's floating through the air, a shining star in an endless sky. She could sparkle anywhere. The young man came from far and near to offer flowers, each in his turn, and they would promise their undying devotion for her love in return. And the first who stood before her was a builder by his trade. His back was strong, his hands were gentle, and he showed her the things he made. I will build you a house in the valley where the stream flows swiftly by, and on the banks of the sweet primroses you and I will lie. And the next to make his declaration was a young man of high renown, standing keen in expectation. He would not be undone. I will give you gold and riches, a diamond ring for your fair hand. Every wish you crave will be granted, and I will be at your command. She can dance like a firefly, and she's floating through the air, a shining star in an endless sky. She can sparkle anywhere. Her jewels are the words he sings for her, her house a broad oak tree. Her joy is but a simple dream that flowers. Now it's free.